I highly recommend to STAD Solution to every serious who about build a career in a software testing. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Julee Patel. I live in Ahmedabad. I completed my BCA and MCA Charusat University 2023. Suddenly I joined STAD Solution to learn to software testing, and it turned out to be the best career. It is truly best software testing training institute in Ahmedabad. The trainer here are very supportively and explain every concept in a simple and clear way, and they provide training in both manual and automation, which happen me understand to full process to testing from the basic to advanced level. We got to lot of hand-on practice and work on a practical projects, which made to learning more effectively. I also learned to similar with Java, which boost of my confidence in automations, and the environment is friendly, and the trainer makes sure that no student is left behind. I highly recommend to STAD Solution to every serious who about build a career in a software testing. Thank you.